Today, we are going to restrict features in a Base44 app by placing them inside a premium plan. First, decide which features you want to make premium. These can be pages, tools, or specific actions inside your app. After this step, your app will already know which users are free and which ones are premium. At this point, premium features are locked, but users still need a way to pay and upgrade. Next, integrate Stripe to handle payments. Open Stripe in a new tab and create an account if you do not have one. After signing in, switch Stripe to sandbox mode so you can test payments safely. Now return to your Base44 dashboard. Go to Settings, open App Settings, and activate Backend Functions. Once backend functions are active, open the Base44 chat and ask it to integrate Stripe. You will be asked to provide API credentials. In Stripe, copy your secret key from the dashboard and paste it into the Stripe secret key field in Base44. Then, set up webhooks in Stripe. Create a new webhook destination. Keep the default options and select the invoice paid event. Set the endpoint URL to your app domain, create the destination, and copy the signing secret. Paste this value into the webhook secret field in Base44 and save. Base44 will now finish setting up the payment logic and generate a pricing page. Follow any final instructions it provides. This usually includes creating a recurring product in Stripe, setting a monthly price, and copying the price ID. Back in Base44, open the code section and replace the placeholder price ID with the real one from Stripe. Save your changes. To test everything, publish the app and open the pricing page. Click the upgrade option and complete checkout using test card details from Stripe Sandbox mode. After payment, the app should unlock the premium features for that user. Once you confirm everything works correctly, replace the test keys with live keys. Thanks for watching.